Hi guys, welcome back to another video. If your Windows PC is getting slow, your C drive is almost full, or you have too many junk files taking up space for no reason, then this video is going to be really helpful for you. Sometimes we keep using the same computer for months or even years, and slowly it gets filled with temporary files, leftover files, duplicate files, and unused program. And because of that, your PC may start feeling slower, storage get occupied, and it becomes difficult to keep things organized. So in today's video, I am going to show you a Windows cleanup and optimization tool called WMaster Cleanup, which can help you clean junk files, uninstall unused program, find duplicate files, and free up disk space on your PC. And the best part is this tool is currently completely free to use for a limited time. So first of all, you need to open your browser and go to the official WMaster Cleanup website. You can download it from the link given in the description as well as in the pinned comment. Once the website is open, simply download the setup file and install the software. It's just a single click process and very easy to install, just like installing any other normal Windows application. After the installation is complete, open WMaster Cleanup and the main interface of the software will appear on the screen. Before starting the cleanup, I would recommend checking your current disk space first, especially your C drive, so that later you can compare the before and after result clearly. So just open this PC, and here you can see how much storage is currently used and how much free space is left. As you can see, my C drive is already around half full. Now let's go back to the WMaster Cleanup and see how much space we can actually recover after running the cleanup. The first features I am going to show you is the junk file cleanup option. So here I am going to click on disk cleanup and click on scan now. Now wait for a few moments while the software scans your PC for unnecessary files such as temporary files, cache files, log files, and other junk data that are usually not needed anymore. Once the scan is complete, it will show you the total amount of junk files found on your computer. Here you can review the result. As you can see, it has detected different types of unnecessary files that are taking up storage space on your PC. Now you can select the checkbox next to each type of junk files that you want to remove. Once you have selected the items, just click on the clean button and the software will start removing those unnecessary files from your system. After the process is completed, you should get a clear result showing how much space has been freed. So this is a very useful because many of these files keep accumulating silently in the background, and most users do not even realize how much storage they are wasting. Next, let's check another useful features, which is uninstall unused program. Inside WMaster Cleanup, click on uninstall apps. Sometimes we install software just for one-time use and forget to remove it later. Over time, these unused programs just sit on the computer and keep taking up disk space. And if you try to find those programs manually inside Windows, it can actually be a bit of a hectic task because they are scattered across different settings and locations. But inside WMaster Cleanup, you can easily find all those installed programs in one place and quickly identify which ones you no longer need. So if you find any unnecessary software here, you can simply uninstall it directly from this list. So this is a very convenient feature because instead of going through multiple Windows settings, you can manage unnecessary apps from one place. And this will also help recover some additional storage space as well. Now let's move to the another useful feature, which is the duplicate file finder. So here I am opening the duplicate clean option. So this is especially helpful if your PC has lots of repeated photos, videos, documents, or downloaded files saved in a different folder. So let's start the scan. Now the scan will search for files that are identical or repeated across the system. After the scan is completed, it will show the duplicates file it has found. From here, you can review them carefully and select the files you want to remove. After selecting the unnecessary duplicate files, you can trash them, delete them permanently, or move them to a different folder. And this way you can free up even more disk space on your computer. Now let me show you another useful features called disk space optimization features. Inside WMaster Cleanup, click on Disk Analyzer. Once you open it, it asks you which disk you want to scan. You can select C drive, E drive, or even choose all if you want to analyze all drives together. So here I am selecting all and then clicking on Start Scan. After the scan completes, it shows the summary of files according to their size, like files larger than 1 GB, files between 500 MB and 1 GB, and files between 10 MB and 500 MB. So this gives you a quick overview of what kind of files are occupying your storage. Apart from these features, WMaster Cleanup also includes several other useful tools that you can try depending on your needs. For example, there is a big file finder feature that helps you quickly identify large files on your computer, and you can clean those files accordingly. There is also a disk defrag options which helps optimize the hard drive and improve system performance, especially if you are using a traditional hard disk. Another convenient things I noticed is that the software also provides quick access to some common Windows tool. Like from here, you can directly open Notepad, Calculator, this PC, Command Prompt, and Control Panel without navigating through multiple menus. Now that we have used the cleanup features, let's go back again to this PC and check the available disk space. And now you can clearly compare the result before and after using WMaster Cleanup. As you can see, the free space has increased and a good amount of storage has been recovered. So overall, WMaster Cleanup looks like a useful Windows cleanup and optimization tool, especially for users who want a simple way to remove junk files, uninstall unused program, find duplicate files, and optimize disk space from one place. And again, one important thing to remember is that WMaster Cleanup is currently free to use for a limited time. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video helped you. If you found this useful, then please like this video, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.